Good morning, guys. Come with me to take my babies to the beach today. First, we went to the K-pop Demon Hunter dance party that they had there, and it was so much fun. The line was long, but it went by pretty fast, so that was good. And my babies got to go on stage and play with their little light wands. It was so much fun. They had so much fun. I enjoyed it. Journey, on the other hand, though, was not feeling it at all. She just wanted to be on me the whole time. Next, we went to go eat some breakfast at Plantation Pancake House, and it was actually really good. I got an omelet. My babies got silver dollar pancakes. And now we were finally on the way to the beach. It was Journey's first time. Amore and Harmony's been before, but they were too little to remember, so it was basically like their first time too. We also saw some pirate ships there. Well, to me they look like pirate ships, but it was pretty cool. Amore and Harmony loved the ocean. They loved it so much. I didn't think Harmony would, and Journey, she definitely was not messing with the ocean at all. Then I made them into some little mermaids, and then they tried to make Mommy into some little mermaids, which didn't really work out good, but they tried. So now we were finally on the way to a pool that my sister was at. We got to ride in the golf cart. And it was Journey's first time at the pool and swimming by herself. They had so much fun. And for dinner, we went to this restaurant. I honestly can't remember what it's called. But the food was good. Everything was good. My babies had such a blast today. And I had so much fun enjoying them and seeing them so happy. And they were knocked out on the way home. Anyways, subscribe, like, all that. Let us know what y'all like to see. Thank y'all for watching.